Alam mo ba na pwedeng normal ang itsura ng bata pero kulang na pala sa oxygen? Hindi kasi lahat ng emergency may tunog. Minsan tahimik lang pero delikado na pala. This is why may pulse oximeter kami sa bahay. What it does, sinusukat nito ang oxygen level, tinitingnan ang heart rate, wala ring tusok, isang pindot lang. Ang normal readings na dapat tandaan kapag adults and kids, ang normal oxygen level sa ating blood ay 95% to 100%. Kapag 94% pababa, make sure na i-close monitor nyo na to. Kapag below 90%, seek medical help ASAP. Ang normal heart rate naman kapag adults, 60 to 100 BPM. Kapag kids, mas mataas depende yon sa age. Kapag may ubo, sipon, asthma o hinihingal ang isang bata, huwag manghula. Sukatin mo gamit ang pulse oximeter. Peace of mind starts with knowing the numbers. Hindi lahat ng mosquito bites simpleng katilang. Minsan, emergency na pala. This is why we always include Human Nature Natural Moisturizing Skin Shield Oil with citronella in our emergency kit at home. This is not just pangtaboy ng lamok ha. This is a plant-based skin shield oil designed to protect while nourishing the skin, which is very important lalo na for kids and sensitive skin. Citronella oil helps repel mosquitoes naturally, while the moisturizing oils keep the skin hydrated and protected. Hindi siya drying, hindi sticky, and hindi masakit sa ilok. That matters kapag araw-araw ginagamit, especially during dengue season or rainy days. As parents, we prepare for emergencies we cannot see. Dengue, chikungunya, and other mosquito-borne illnesses do not give warnings. That is why prevention is always the first line of defense. This oil is gentle enough for daily use and effective enough to be part of your family's emergency preparedness routine. Kung araw-araw may lamok, dapat araw-araw din ang proteksyon. If you want longer lasting protection with added skincare, this is the one we use daily. Human Nature Natural Moisturizing Skin Shield Lotion combines with citronella with coconut-derived ingredients to protect and nourish the skin at the same time. Unlike regular repellents, this lotion does not dry the skin. It actually helps strengthen the skin barrier, which is important for kids, babies, and adults with sensitive skin. Citronella works as a natural mosquito repellent, while coconut-derived moisturizers keep the skin soft and comfortable even with repeated use. Emergency preparedness is not only about first aid kits, it is also about daily habits that reduce health risks. This lotion makes protection part of your everyday routine, not just something you remember during outbreaks. Gentle, effective, safe for regular use. Pag may biglaang lakad o emergency, ito ang pinakamabilis kong kinukuha. For on-the-go emergencies, we always bring Horayos Bite Me Not Citronella Spray. This is perfect for sudden situations like biglang ulan, outdoor waiting areas, travel, or kahit simpleng paglabas ng bahay sa gabi. One spray gives quick protection against mosquitoes without strong chemical smell. Citronella helps repel mosquitoes effectively, while the spray format makes it fast, convenient, and hygienic. Walang pahid-pahid, walang lagkit, and safe for quick reapplication. Emergency preparedness means being ready even when plans change. This spray is ideal for bugs, cars, and emergency kits because it is lightweight and easy to use for both adults and kids. Sometimes protection needs to be instant. This is one of those products you will be thankful you packed.